Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how fix one issues what happened with my Makita trimmer. So what's the problem? The spool break the cord. Why? Because this metal part it's worn out. You see it break, and what we're gonna do? First of all, we can change this metal part, turn out and change. But I already do it. And what we have? It's absolutely worn out. You see now. Local Makita dealer says they don't get this part. I wanna order this in internet, but in internet it's I doesn't see it. So who gonna help me? Who is my hero? Look at this. You see? Husqvarna. Husqvarna pretty same, almost identical, but it have more metal. You see, just this Makita thinner. So what I gonna do? Just pull out. Oh, this is decision of my problem. Just change Makita parts to the Husqvarna and enjoy the result. Okay, subscribe the channel, leave the like, write the commentar. Bye to everyone.